If your student is new to the district this year, please select the link titled 2023 to 2024 Online Registration for New Students. On this page, you may enter your first and last name, as well as either a valid cell phone number or email address that you can be contacted with. You will then be prompted to provide a code sent to either your email or phone to verify that they are active. After entering the validation code, you will be able to complete the registration process for your JCampus account. Once this is completed, you will be able to move on to adding any additional parents, guardians, or extended family that you would authorize for emergency contact and/or student pickup. We advise that at least one other person be specified as an emergency contact. After this has been completed, you will be able to proceed with registering your student. You will be prompted for the student's name, social security number, the grade they will be going into for the school year, and their ethnicity. Afterwards, you will be able to list all parents, guardians, and their relationships with the student, as well as if the student lives with them, if they are an emergency contact, to designate the primary guardian, and specify who can pick the student up. Once completed, you will be able to continue with designating language information, physical address, transportation method, mailing address, and upload relevant documents. Afterwards, you will be able to specify which school you would prefer your student to attend, based off of the student's residential address, as well as provide any information about the last school the student attended. After designating a mailing address and phone number, you will be prompted to enter the student's primary care physician and any relevant medical issues or allergies. You will then be able to specify any special education needs that were provided by the student's previous school. Next, you will be able to provide permissions to an acceptance of NPSB policies as designated by the NPSB District Handbook. On this last screen, you will be able to review any information that has been submitted. If items are missing, they will be designated by the red X, as you can see in the Documents tab. Clicking on this will allow you to continue correcting and submitting the information. Please note on the Documents page that you will need to select Upload Documents before selecting Continue to Review and Submit. Once everything for your submission is in order, you will be able to sign and submit your request. Further information regarding your submission will be sent to the contact method or methods you submitted. This completes the new student registration. If you have any questions regarding K-12 online registration, please email online.registration@npsb.la.